Today I'll be doing a scar treatment on my hand. So I just wanted to show you, this is the highest frequency as you can see, and this is the highest intensity. It's already been plugged, so I'll be working on it again. If you're going to do it on your hands, make sure that you're already taking your breaths and everywhere is clean, so you don't have to go back and start washing the area. So you want to make sure that the place, there's no water that is going to touch the place for an entire day. And again, take the make sure that if you can't do it on your own, make sure you get someone to do it for you. But I'm pretty sure you can do it on your own, as it's not on your face. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the notification, and like this video, and share if you feel it's very important and you want to share it to somebody that might find it useful. So hey, take care of yourself, and thank you again. Thanks for watching.